That's what attracts me to big bikes is the sound. You know what I mean? That deep, dark, freaking. This motherfucker is nasty sound. You know? Like Chris's other bike. Well, that thing.
Provoking him with the camera. He's like, might as well be like, hey Tanner, do something cool for me.
Sure. Yeah, roll it.
Yeah, right. Yeah. He'll do everything but the break the fucking. Right. It's like you got another one, Chris is good.
Good God, what the fuck is he doing down there?